students, today my topic is preparation from Grignard reagent, preparation of alcohol by Grignard reagent. Now, firstly, primary alcohol prepared by formaldehyde. This is the formula of formaldehyde. When it gets reacted with Grignard reagent, it forms primary alcohol. Now, secondary alcohol prepared by aldehyde. When one H replaced from its place and R attached to it, then it is known as aldehyde. When this aldehyde react with Grignard reagent, it forms secondary alcohol. Now come to third one, tertiary alcohol. When both the bond are attached with the alkyl group instead of hydrogen group, and when it is known as ketone, and when this ketone react with Grignard reagent, it forms tertiary alcohol. From acid chloride, this is the formula of acid chloride. When this acid chloride react with Grignard reagent, it forms this ketone. When this ketone again react with Grignard reagent, it forms tertiary alcohol. From primary amine, this is the primary amine as you studied in earlier chapter. Then it is when it react with nitrous oxide in the presence of this catalyst NaNO2 and HCl, it forms primary alcohol N2 and water. Now come to another topic, fermentation. It derived from Latin word, fermentation derived from Latin word fervor, means to boil, as a lot of froth is formed due to evolution of CO2. It is discovered by Pasteur in 1860 and it exothermic process. It is a exothermic process. Why it is a exothermic process? Because evolution of heat is there, means heat goes out, in which CO2, CH4 gas evolve. For fermentation, temperature should be 25 to 30 degree. At very high temperature, enzymes coagulate and microorganisms are destroyed, while at very low temperature, reactivity of enzyme get retarded. Concentration of solution must be 8 to 10%. If concentration get higher, then process becomes slow. At low concentration, fermentation stop as microorganisms stop working, which provide enzyme. pH should be 6 to 8. Now, ammonium sulfate and ammonium phosphate added to a mixture as microorganisms feed upon them and their population get increases. These are the enzyme where it is in the end it has ASE, zymase, invertase, maltase. These all are enzymes present in the yeast responsible for fermentation. Now, formation of ethanol from sucrose. If sucrose is react with Aspergillus niger, then it forms lactic acid. If sucrose react with yeast, then it forms glycerol. If sucrose react with water in presence of invertase enzyme, it forms glucose and fructose. Both have same formula, but structural formula are different. When this glucose again react in the presence of zymase, they form ethanol. Now come to second one, starch. This is the formula of starch. When this starch get react with water in the presence of dietase, which is extracted by sprouted barley. This dietase extracted by sprouted barley, then when it get reacted in the presence of dietase, then maltose is formed. When this maltose react with water in the presence of maltase, it forms glucose. When this glucose in presence of zymase react, then it forms phenol and carbon dioxide. When ethanol react in the presence of oxygen by Mycoderma acetobacilli, then it forms acetic acid. Now come to physical property. Lower alcohols are liquid while higher alcohols are waxy solid, which is odorless and tasteless. Now come to solubility. First three alcohol like methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol are soluble in or miscible in water due to H bonding. H bonding means hydrogen bonding. Solubility decreases with increase in molecular mass. As it becomes hydrophobic character, as the alkyl group increases, the hydrophobic character get increases. They all soluble in organic solvent only. Now, boiling point and melting point. Due to H bonding, boiling point and melting point are much higher. The order of boiling point and melting point is this. Primary alcohol have higher boiling point because of hydrogen bonding. Secondary alcohol is also have higher boiling point because of hydrogen bonding. It has weak hydrogen bonding, tertiary alcohol. That is why boiling point is very low as compared to these two. Nature, they are all amphoteric, that is neutral, do not affected by litmus paper. Now my question is for today, write down the preparation of alcohol. What is fermentation? Thank you.